In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. If you can't find certain songs on stories or reels, these methods will help fix it. Start by opening the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Go into Accounts Center, then tap Connected Experiences and select Sharing across profiles. Choose your Instagram account and turn off automatic sharing to Facebook. This can sometimes fix music availability issues caused by copyright restrictions. Next, go back to Settings and open Account Type and Tools. If you're using a professional account, switch it to a personal account. Professional accounts often have limited music due to licensing restrictions. Finally, force close the Instagram app and open it again. Try adding music to your story or reel, and you should now see more songs available. If this guide helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.